Hi, this is LmKeith at BISH'S RV in Junction City, and I am going to show you a couple of Attitudes. We have got 6 of them on our lot. They are actually 2023s, so you will be ahead of the game. They're all toy haulers and they are all fantastic. Just great layouts. Some of them, the bed is turned one way and bed is turned the other way, different color schemes, but all of them are great and fabulous for families. There's tons of space in these. Lots of beds, there's a full bathroom. So we'll just go inside and you can see there is plenty of dining room space, plenty of sleeping space because all of this converts to beds, except these, of course. Bunk. This can be gaming or dining. Both of those lay down flat, so they're beds. Lots of nice storage around, all the way around. And again, you know I like a good color scheme. Very, very neutral. You got black and white. There's a little bit of gray in there. Nice, very efficient kitchen use of the space. We've got the microwave, regular oven, and 3-burner gas stove. Good size sink. There's prep area, and you can always use your dining room table for prep. So awesome. Way up high wall-mounted TV. Standard size fridge for an RV. Down the hall, we do have the bathroom. Let you pan in there. Plenty of room. It's always nice to have a full bathroom, especially when you have family. And you can close this whenever you want. We'll walk on back to the bedroom. And this is a full walk-around bed, queen size. You can see, since it's an Attitude, you have a little bit more wild color scheme in here, or design, graphics. Awesome storage. See all this wonderful space here? Great mirrors, which give the illusion of bigger space. So that's always helpful. This is LmKeith at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. And if you have any questions about the 2023 Attitudes that I just showed you or the others that are on our lot, go ahead and give us a call. Thank you so much.